Hi, I'm Rob.Kavanaugh with Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. What I'm showing you today is this really nice looking Thor Magnitude BH35 model. It's a 2020. It looks fantastic. Let's have a look inside. Okay, now that we're inside from front to rear, you can see here a really nice setup. Over the cab over is a really nice 50-inch Insignia flat screen TV, high definition of course, with the sound bar, plenty of storage up here, looks really nice. As we start to move back, you can see it's a standard Dream dinette with extra plush seat cushions on the leatherette, really nice, looks brand new. As we move into the galley, you can see that it's a stainless steel refrigerator. As you can see, it's a residential style, so lots of space. Real Corian countertops with stainless steel finishes, looks real nice. The microwave oven is also a convection oven, and as you can see there, you have a gas burner as well. Moving into the bedroom is a king size bed. It looks real nice, very plush, very comfortable. This motorhome has 2 bathrooms. There's a half bath up in the center of the RV, and then in the bedroom there's a full-size bath with shower. Plenty of storage in the room. You will not have any issues with space here. Really nice. Thanks again for looking at this vehicle. It's in great shape. It looks really good. If you're interested, my contact information is below. Again, I'm Rob.Kavanaugh. Thanks for looking.